The 2007 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power door mirrors, power windows, an overhead console, and remote keyless entry. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, knee airbag protection, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.